All right, the honey hole challenge is coming up and I want you to join us. Why do I want you to join? Because you keep asking me questions about how do I get started? Where do I go driving for dollar? What's a yellow letter? All sorts of great questions. Absolutely fantastic questions. And I'm going to cover them for free for 5 days coming up in just a couple weeks. And I want you to join us. We call this the How to Find Your Honey Hole Challenge because we're going to help you get started. We're going to show you on a map with a general outline of a formula where you could get started, where you should get started, where you could go and be the queen bee, where you could be a big fish in a small pond, but definitely where you're going to go to get those deals done so you can get those contracts signed and get those checks cashed. I almost said cashed checks. Well, that would work too. Anyway, join us in the upcoming 5-day How to Find Your Honey Hole Challenge. Click the link, sign in with your email, do all the things so that we can get started. We can hang out for 5 days so that you can start to take massive action to get that passive income you've been dreaming about. I'm here for you. Let's get started.